Welcome to Beth's Best Hair. No more bad hair days here. Today I'm reviewing Gail, and I got her on a BOGO sale for $27.79.
I've got new hair mail. This is Gail, the color SF1228. And this is what she looks like in the catalog. All right, can I get a drum roll, please? Oh my gosh. Is she even in here? Oh my gosh. Let's see this. So it's inside out. Here, let me hold it back. It is supposed to be the inexpensive dupe for Mane Attraction Hollywood. So I'm excited because I've never been able to afford anything, even though Mane Attraction is probably a more affordable line. Sorry, they're running 4 million out there. It's a beautiful day for it. And then I'll be back. 80s hairband. Oh my gosh, I'm like Lita Ford or Hart. What do you think?
So again, I always spritz her down really good with water and then mess it up and change the part around if you want to. Just work with her to make her your own.
Look at you, stop yourself and listen. Never. Yeah, I could be in Heart. Oh my gosh. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. I don't know. I cut the tags off, you guys. I cut the tags off. Why did I cut the tags off? So you guys see my bio here. It's not much. So what I do is I'll take the root spray and just kind of spray right there. I gotta get some more because my hair is not colored, so it's just kind of mossy. And then again, I'll section off little sections of the root spray. I need to get some more. One thing I always like to do for updos is kind of just twist and do like a little side deal. Okay, so yeah, I actually think this one would be really cute for a wedding or an updo. So I twisted it. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I'm in the frame. And I just kind of twist it around, and then I just have a clip here, just like that. This one, I actually really like the layers. So I wanted to show you, I get a lot of accessories at the Dollar Tree. I get these claw clips there, and back of 3 with that. And isn't this one fun? I got this there. This one's cute. Little tie-dye. My daughter got me a tie-dye shirt, so I'm like, ooh, that's cute. What do you think? I mean, Dollar Tree, like seriously, things that we can do.
I wanted to give you a couple quick styling options, and just note when I do the claw clip and put it in the hair, I try to grab a weft when I do that to make sure that everything is secure. Then if the wind blows, you're still good. Nothing's going anywhere.
And the other thing that I've done, if I wanted to do a little bit more, kind of try to leave some out. And then sometimes, if I really decide that I like to do more updos, I'll take my scissors, just a little one, and I'll kind of go just to do a little face framing layers. Alright, so other couple things that I would do is twist. Just take a small section and twist it
So when I wear the hair up, before I go out, I always do a 360 and check to make sure that no wefts are exposed.
All right, so let's see, just to put her in a little low ponytail. I want to wear her to work. But do you know what? They would just be like, oh my gosh, your hair looks so pretty today. Are you wearing extensions? So, yeah. She's a pretty one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much for just sticking around with me and all my chaos at my house on Easter weekend while I'm dying actually, to try on hair. I have another one, but I don't know if the family's going to let me do it because I think we're going to do a campfire. But you guys have a wonderful and blessed Easter weekend. Thanks so much for staying with me. All right, I'll show you the next one another time. Bye.
So tell me your thoughts. Is Gail actually? Note that Gail does not have hardly any permatease in her at all. And it is really beautiful, soft hair, not tangly. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for the next one.